Hello, good day, and a warm welcome to the product world of FFT Produktionssysteme. My name is Karsten Heil, and I am responsible here at the company for the Providing Technology department. My team deals with topics related to component logistics as well as conveyor and feeding technology. Today, I would like to introduce you to the FFTprovi Rack Changer. This new development is based on the rapidly growing use of automated guided vehicles in automated production. Primarily, the FFTprovi Rack Changer is an automated solution for cycle-decoupled changing of component containers. The operating principle of the FFTprovi Rack Changer fundamentally differs from the currently common container towers or container change racks. While these products are usually designed with two levels and can therefore only be loaded with forklifts, our system also works with automated guided vehicles. Here, for example, with the FFT AGV. In this video, you can see a complete process sequence. A loaded container is handed over to the rack changer by the AGV. After the exchange process, the empty container is conveyed to the transfer position and handed over to the AGV again. The AGV can optionally wait for the empty container or carry out other tasks in the meantime. Let's move on to the structure of the FFTprovi Rack Changer. The main components are a drive unit on both the right and left sides, each enabling vertical and horizontal movement and connected at the top by a sturdy frame. The resulting gantry moves along rails mounted on the floor. Additionally, there is a horizontal drive unit including a lifter and precise positioning system. Regarding the technical data, I can provide you with the following values. The FFTprovi Rack Changer is compatible with containers up to 2,000 mm in height, 3,600 mm in width, and a weight of up to 2,000 kilos. The positioning accuracy is plus or minus 0.5 mm. Depending on customer requirements, we can offer various options in addition to the basic unit. Safety roller door, component inspections, DMC code reader, loading concepts for AGV, forklift or tugger train, and much more. The key advantages for you as our customers are: loading and unloading is possible using FDF, AGV, and forklift. There is a high level of scalability regarding container size and weight. You benefit from high availability in production and great flexibility in logistics. Simple and quick adaptation to special load carriers is possible. With our service options, we naturally cover the entire range from consulting to after sales with the FFTprovi Rack Changer as well. Feel free to take a look at our extensive product portfolio at www.fft.de. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.